Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change taskbar alignment in Windows 11. If you use in Windows 11, there is some change. One of the personalization change is the taskbar alignment. So here in Windows 11, the alignment in the middle. So you can move from this middle or the center to the left, like the Windows 10 or Windows 7, like the old one. So in order to do that, you can right click on taskbar and click taskbar settings. Here you can click on taskbar behaviors. Taskbar alignment, badging, automatically hide, and multiple display. So here by default taskbar alignment is on the center, and you can change to the left by click this left. As you can see, taskbar alignment is changed into the left side. And also in this taskbar behaviors, you can show badges on taskbar app, or show flashing on taskbar apps, or automatically hide the taskbar if you don't use it. And also you can untick this box, share any window from my taskbar, select far corner of the taskbar to show the desktop, and also combine taskbar button and hide labels. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.